Man, this corner.
I am Savio John Pereira, and we have a salon in Bombay. We have a couple of salons. We send a lot of our VVIP and very prestigious clients across to Avanza, and a lot of Wendy's clients who are celebrities come to Avanza. So I think she's going to share something.
So whoever I've sent to Avanza has been very happy with the result. So we plan to send more and more of our clients to them.
More hair!
Thank you for supporting us, Savio and Wendy. Thank you so much.
And yeah.
Hello. Thank you.
Right. Yes, sir, here. This side. All of you here. Left. Yes, sir. This side. Right one, right. Yeah. Somewhere corner. Look here. Yeah, this side. Right one, sir. Right. Camera, ready? Sir, right corner. Right, sir. Right. Sir, right. Sir, this side. Okay, here. Thank you. Sir, from that one. Right one, right. So, यहाँ पे look here, ma'am. Right one, दे दीजिए.
I think you Shweta.
Not this one. No, right. Right. From right corner.
Thank you so much. कोई कहीं और है?
अंदर ना.
ना अभी वापस आती हूँ.
Center.
Thank you.
Wait. Go from the right corner. Look here. Center. From the right and center. From the center. Right corner. Center. Right corner. Center. Ma'am. Not from right corner. Come on. Right.
आप लोग को देख के हमेशा और अच्छी हो जाती हूँ एंड आज मैं यहाँ पे हूँ एक न्यू हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट क्लिनिक खुला है हियर एट पेवर रोड. आई थिंक मैं भी ऐसी अच्छी से अपनी स्किन केयर हेयर केयर सब करती हूँ. यू have to wash your face and apply a nice anything, a base moisturizer, serum, if you don't have a nice skin, but never sleep without doing a nice routine. So this is something I swear by. I never skip that. And I'm trending everywhere, and I am so happy because back to back एक हफ्ते में दूसरा गाना रिलीज हुआ, दोनों ही YouTube पे ट्रेंड कर रहे हैं. I'm very happy. I think God has been kind. और ये song first.
Not this one. So center. Right. Right. And from the right one. Everyone right corner. Very well, sir. Center ma'am, ready? Wait, one more.
Firstly, I'd like to congratulate Avanza. I think this is the state of the art, one of the best ever clinics I've seen. It's as pure as their work because they really mean to reach out to every grade of people. I think their work is very, very well renowned, and we've talked about it as an image consultant. I highly recommend my clients to be here because they're just so affordable, approachable, and extremely intricate with their work. So congratulations, I wish them well, and I do see a very bright future for the new federal clinic of Avanza. Thank you.
Branch of Avanza and Federal.
Yeah.
Leading the hair transplant. What do you have to say?
I know them since 4 years and the results have been amazing. Being an actor, it is very important for actors here screen पे अच्छा दिखना है, and they are amazing, and you can see the amazing results. I'm taking PRP from them and बहुत कमाल के results है, and I would request everyone here, please visit Avanza.
Thank you so much, and what a beautiful clinic, Dr. Shweta, Dr. Tarun, many congratulations. How did Avanza actually, when did the journey begin to reach to its core position now?
Basically, it's all about, we started in 2019 and then we had one center in Andheri. Then we had demand from our previous clients from Raipur as well. So then we started with Raipur clinic. Then we again started with Vadodara, and then we had such a big base of South Bombay patients. So the demand was such that we were like, people were not able to come across Andheri, and we were not able to cater that much of patients. That's why we started this South Bombay branch, so that it's easy for the people here to commute as well. So
what a phenomenal journey, few years and first, branch, Dr. Tarun, कैसा लग रहा है? I mean, it's the first, it's a feeling of being proud and elated, yes.
It's a great journey, more so when we opened and this COVID thing happened. It was quite a tough time, but we sailed through.
So हमारी USP क्या है?
Our USP is basically our technique. So what we do, very few clinics in the world they do that. And the natural results what we produce is hardly produced by any other clinic. So that is our USP, and the patient trust and confidence in us. So that is our main USP.
So patients, when they are back to their normalcy after a hair transplant, वो feeling efficiency, I'm sure it's tell us something about that. How they, it's the lifestyle.
Yes, of course, like hair matters, and a lot of confidence depends on that. And but look totally changes after the surgery. Look totally changes, and it is a massive confidence boost.
No, now
out there, how do they have to, how they reach you, and how easy or difficult it is.
today, hair and skin is not a luxury. It is a necessity. Each and every individual wants to look good. The feeling of that confidence after doing the hair treatment when the person is losing hair, it is another level when they get the treatment and then they have hair back again. The people are like very happy and they have a different level of confidence altogether when they do the hair treatment or skin treatment. So that's where people feel good.
बहुत सारे लोग डाउट करते रहते हैं मेरे पास हो सकता है अगर हो सकता है तो does it say commoner would always want to know all of this.
Transplanted hairs are something which will never fall. मतलब again it's not made by us कि वो हम लगाएंगे तो नहीं hair fall होगा. It's all God made thing. The hair which are most resistant, we take those hairs and we implant those hairs which are for your lifetime. And again, our expertise are in making a good natural hairline, which doesn't look natural. Otherwise, nowadays people are wearing patches, wigs, but that is recognizable. Matlab, it is sure that something is unnatural. So in transplant, we take care of those things that it should look very artistic and it should look very natural.
A lot of them, yes.
One of the example I would love to share you. One patient came to us asking he needs a certificate that he have got a transplant done because the transformation was so huge that the passport authorities were rejecting his things. So then we gave him a certificate that yes, we have done the transformation and now he is totally a different person altogether. So that's one of the best example. One patient what we came across.
Also, we've seen that, of course, what we're going to do that, a lot of people have that hair to reach out to a doctor with hair transplant, with Indian mentality. How to overcome that? How do we?
Like in metros, it is okay, awareness is there, but in small cities, yes, it's still a taboo. So we need to create awareness about it. But a lot of people are coming now, and it's a common thing now.
So Avanza was 4 clinics, 100 clinics. Smaller towns, when is that going to be?
Very soon, very soon. We are trying to reach more and more cities and cater more public so that each and every individual can opt for doing this kind of treatment.
क्या आप मैसेज देना चाहेंगे आपके ऑडियंस को who are in dire need of a hair transplant and they're finding it difficult to reach out to a doctor?
Do visit us.
Again, people are scared about, again it says transplant name, it is scary. But again, hair transplant is not a very major invasive surgery. It is a very minimal invasive surgery. It is just a daycare procedure. बस जाना है, करवा के घर पे आ जाना है, just like the dental treatment what we do. So you have to visit, you have to overcome your fear and come here, visit us. Then you can get to know how things will go.
All के लिए अलग treatment है. So there are other options like BFC, PRP, laser light therapy to stop the hair fall. So not everyone is a candidate for transplant. So people who already have hair who are in the thinning stage, so there are other options. Depends on the area, grade of baldness and how much thinning is there.
But majorly it happens when जब किसी के hair जा रहे होते हैं तब they are in the ignorant stage कि हाँ थोड़ा जा रहा है थोड़ा. लोग जागते तब है जब पूरा चला जाता है.
तो क्या जो होना चालू होता है
तो immediately तब हाँ yes we have treatment for that कि आप immediately उसको stop कीजिए, arrest the hair loss damage. तो वहाँ पे ट्रीटमेंट आपको शुरू करवा देना चाहिए rather than going complete bald and then going and getting the surgery. So better to opt for the treatment as early as possible.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So you're at Avanza today, the fourth clinic in Mumbai. What would you like to say?
First of all, I would like to congratulate them for, stepping into fourth clinic, which is amazing. And what I want to tell them is, hair is something which is very crucial, like for girls and even for guys. It enhances your beauty no matter how you look, but the final touch होता है ना वो सिर्फ बालों से होता है. So I think it is very important कि हम सब अपने बालों का ख्याल रखें. And what better than coming here and doing some great amazing treatments to our hair. Thank you.
I noticed while entering was the location and the expanse of the sea. मतलब कहते हैं ना when you're living on a seaside city, so this is the best thing. So I think location आते ही आदि तो कहते हैं ना अगर डर हो या कुछ से अनसेटलिंग वाली फीलिंग हो तो वो लोकेशन देख के गायब हो जाती है. द प्लेस इज डन ऑफ ब्यूटिफुली. मैंने अभी सारा क्लिनिक पूरा देखा, 3 OTs हैं, तो एस्थेटिकली डन. मैं जो मुझे दिखा रही थी, मैं उनसे भी वही कह रही थी कि अगर किसी को थोड़ा सा डर सा कभी महसूस हो रहा हो कोई प्रोसीजर कराते हुए, तो जगह देख के ही वो शांत हो जाएगा. एंड ऑफ कोर्स डॉक्टर्स आर गुड, सो दे नो व्हाट दे आर डूइंग. बट एक होता है ना, आप कुछ भी छोटा सा करवाते हैं प्रोसीजर व्हिच इज स्लाइटली सर्जिकल, यू आर ऑलवेज अ लिटिल स्केप्टिकल. सो आई थिंक वो जो लोकेशन है जो आपको दिख रहा है, व्हाट यू कैन सी, of course, besides the doctors and the technicians who are dealing with you, like they take away more than half the fear, but baki the location and the place is really beautiful. So best of luck for this, and I really, really hope that you do what you've decided to come out with, and many more clinics from here on. Thank you.
Firstly, many congratulations and sending in lots of love, light, and power to the whole team out there. And I'm very much excited because being into the showbiz business बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है अपनी skin का, hair का take care करना. So I'm very excited, and especially when I entered, the vibe was like super duper wow. तो मुझे तो यहाँ पर entry मार के ही बहुत मजा आ गया. I'm pretty much looking forward to the services as well.
Hair care की बात की जाए, so men and women equally are consciously doing what's your take on that?
अब see, which is a very good thing, because मुझे लगता नहीं है कि this should be a very gender biased thing. Everyone is looking forward. Oh yes. उनकी खुद की hair and skin देखकर मतलब I am very excited. I'm going to be knowing all the secrets, right? Please let me know about it.
Sure.
And also, when it comes to, as I was saying, that it shouldn't be a gender biased thing, because आजकल सारे के सारे लोग भी लड़के भी PRP करवाते हैं, and there are a lot of other skincare things, right? I want you to tell me, like, how is it like the guy is doing all the skin treatments and taking all the skin treatments?
And nowadays, in fact, women are women. So it was earlier as well. They used to take care of all these things, salon treatments and all.
Yeah.
But nowadays, guys are taking over women. So it is that way कि men ज़्यादा खुद की skin and hair के लिए conscious है. So it is not gender biased nowadays. Cosmetic looks and everything is meant for both the genders, males, females, everything.
Yeah, I'm very much excited because since it's the 4th center right here, many congratulations to you. So what is going to be that one new element that we are going to be looking forward here?
As I told earlier as well, it's better you take care of the hair. It's not mandatory that you should have hair fall. Even to maintain your hair is a mandatory thing. Because look, we do so many of hair treatments, coloring, trimming, styling, everything, blow drying. So it is mandatory to maintain the volume what you have, because once the volume is lost, it can never be get back on its own. You have to do some treatment for that. So better take maintenance treatment for it.
डॉक्टर की मतलब मुझे सजेशंस यहाँ पर सारे मिल चुके हैं, so I'm looking forward for great set of services, and thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you.
Yeah, I know.
Standalone Mumbai, 4th clinic, you just been around, what do you have to say?
First and foremost is congratulations on the way for the 4th clinic in the city, and it's made very beautiful, and the vibe is good. Plus that if you come for a treatment here, you will feel the pain, but you won't feel the pain because it's so beautifully ethically done. So, but I will say no pain, no gain in every situation where the beauty comes in. So we have to go through the process to gain the beautiful hair and all that stuff that we have to. So once again, congratulations for it, and thanks, Parul, for inviting.
You see over there, and आपको transplant कराने मिले अगर समुद्र को देखते हुए, उससे अच्छा एरिया क्या है? Such a nice office in this area. मैंने इनका ये 3रा ऑफिस देखा है, बहुत ही प्यारा ऑफिस है. इस एरिया में ऐसा अवांजा का कोई क्लिनिक नहीं है और कोई भी हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट क्लिनिक नहीं है. So I think this is best. And if you want hair like this, I think Avanza.
Thank you.
Thank you. See, from a business perspective, ये अपना जो इंडियन इकोनॉमी है बहुत ग्रो हो रहा है और डिस्पोजेबल इनकम्स बढ़ रहा है, एंड इससे जो एक्सपेंडिचर्स होने वाले हैं ये बहुत बड़े होने वाले हैं अगले 10 साल में, क्योंकि अब हमसे $4.3 ट्रिलियन है, हम $10 ट्रिलियन होने वाले हैं. और जहाँ ये डिस्पोजेबल इनकम बढ़ेंगे, ऐसे वाले चीजों पे लोग खर्चा करेंगे. So Avanza is just the beginning. Globally, these kind of businesses are very large. मतलब ये जो businesses होते हैं वो बहुत बड़े होते हैं. अब तो हमने सिर्फ स्टार्ट किया है एंड ये 3 ब्रांचेस जो है ये सिर्फ इट्स लाइक द टिप ऑफ द आइसबर्ग. ये होने वाले हैं 30 ब्रांचेस 40 ब्रांचेस और अगले 5 से 10 साल. एंड दैट्स द विजन दैट वी हैव. So I think Avanza is going to be very very big in the next few years. Thank you.
Everyone for coming here, and thank you, sir, for opening another hair transplant clinic here. This site really needed something, and we need trustable people like you. So thank you. I hope आप और जल्दी वहाँ पे भी खूब सारे centers खोलो, so that we don't have to come all the way here. Thank you. We already have, yes.
This is the fourth one in town.
So good.
And as we talking about hair care, it's not just a women thing today. It's
It is, and I think with all the new techniques and new things coming up, people are really trusting now India. Otherwise, पहले लोग बाहर जाते थे ये सब कराने, but because of people like you, we trust coming to clinics here in India. And thank you for opening amazing center. अभी मैं देख रही हूँ, we have just come, so let me have a look. And thank you and congratulations. Yes, बहुत अमेजिंग लग रहा है, स्पेशली आजकल स्किन एंड हेयर नीड केयर. सो आई थिंक दिस क्लिनिक इज फॉर दैट. आप अपनी स्किन और अपनी हेयर को स्पेशली जितना अच्छा रख सकते हैं, एंड आजकल की स्ट्रेसफुल लाइफ में वो रखना बहुत मुश्किल है. सो या सच प्लेसेस आर नीडेड. Thank you.
the fourth clinic of Avanza, Inauguration at Federal Road. What would you like to say?
I'm really stunned by the clinic. It looks so aesthetic. The location is amazing. The view is amazing. It's very peaceful and calming. So I'm very happy that I'm here. And Dr. Tarun Garg और Shweta Jain जी को बहुत बड़ा congratulations for the fourth clinic, and I hope there are many more after this.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And you're here for Avanza's launch inauguration at Federal Road, and we've heard such good things about Avanza from you always, Dr. Shweta and Dr. Tarun. You yourself being a beautiful part of the clinic. What do you have to say?
So generally, when you are at a launch, that's the first time you get to know about the place. You get to know about the people behind the place. The magicians, the doctors, the specialists behind the venture. But this is a place where I already know the founders personally. Both Dr. Tarun and Dr. Shweta they're not the regular specialists when it comes to hair transplant and the whole transformation process. They are magicians. And I'm saying it not because of any other reason, but I can vouch that at a personal level. They have hands of God, and so this is, I believe, your fourth clinic, right?
Yes.
Fourth clinic, and what better than having it right in the most expensive part of the globe, which is South Mumbai. So. And it has taken them a lot of effort, a lot of goodwill that they have earned to reach this level. This is, I'm sure, just the beginning of a very long journey, and I'm looking forward to a fantastic association. Everyone that I have met who has been a part of Avanza's journey has only spoken not good, great things about both of them.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I'm saying it from the bottom of my heart. I wish both of you a phenomenal success and an incredible journey ahead.
Thank you so much. Avanza का Federal Road मुंबई में जो you've been around, what do you have to say?
So, first of all of you, thank you so much for coming on this day, Sunday. And Sunday ko it is very difficult to attend any events, but it was Dr. Tarun and Dr. Shweta. इनके बारे में मैं इतना सारा सुन चुकी हूँ कई बार. कई लोगों से मेरे काफी दोस्तों ने इनका ट्रीटमेंट लिया है, and they are looking much more handsome and beautiful now after hair transplant. So congratulations on your journey till here. It's the fourth outlet, and I'm sure this is going to rock. And जो vibe यहाँ पर आके हमें आई है और जितना beautiful आप लोगों ने ये बनाया है, मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि इंडस्ट्री में आप छाने वाले हो और डेफिनेटली वी विल रिकमेंड टू मेनी पीपल. सबसे पहले तो मेरे घर पे ही पेशेंट है आपका. माय सन वांट्स टू कम टू यू, so we will definitely keep coming here. It's a beautiful place and I wish very best of luck to Avanza.
Thank you so much.
At Avanza Clinic, the inauguration, the fourth clinic of Avanza in Spearheaded in Mumbai. And you're looking lovely.
Thank you.
What do you have to say about it, Penny?
So first of all, I would want to congratulate Dr. Shweta. I have kind of known Shweta and Adi Bhaiya since they're like family to me, to be very honest. And I've known them like since 15 years, like for the first time when I shifted to Bombay. And one thing I can vouch for, whatever she gets into, she makes sure that, she gives the, you can say 100% result to all the clients coming in. So I really want to put up a big congratulations to Dr. Shweta and the team for putting up a fourth new clinic at a very spanking location in Feather Road. So congratulations guys, the space is amazing and I'm really looking forward to it.
Shiny hair care is, earlier it was like a taboo when it came about hair transplant.
Correct.
Today, men, women, they all understand the need and the value. It's a lifestyle issue, I must say. What's your take on it?
I think, see, there is nothing wrong. I believe you should always go take help if needed. There are a lot of people who are very scared to kind of, go through the procedure. I must say there are a few doctors who have amazing hands, and I think Dr. Shweta is a very reliable person to kind of walk in. Trust me, I feel it's always better to have hair and to each one's own choice. If you are comfortable going around, fair enough. But if you feel a little thing off about yourself and if you really want some good volume and stuff, please come and I would request every one of you to come and get your transplants done at Avanza.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.